Come closer, let me tell you something. Do you know that plantain is a friendly food loved by many? It can be cooked in several forms and yet delicious. Plantain can be boiled, fried, processed as chips for snacks. It can be used to combine other foods like flour, meal, cakes, pancakes, buns, different things, and you still have a very lovely, delicious meal. Plantain can be combined with rice or any other food. It can be eaten with fish and still gives you a very memorable meal. Today, I'll be making plantain frittata, combining plantain with eggs and vegetables. Stay tuned and keep watching. Here we have fried our plantain. Now we are making the sauce to combine with the eggs. Fried some chopped onions, add chopped tomatoes, pepper and garlic. Spice up lightly with stock cubes and chicken stock and salt. Mix together and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Then go in with the green pepper and the red bell pepper. Mix everything together. Allow to cook for about 2 minutes and bring it down to cool. Then we go over to our egg. Crack some eggs into a bowl and add a little bit of salt and chicken stock. Then beat and mix together. Then combine it with your fried vegetables. Stir gently while combining. In a heated pan, add some vegetable oil and go in with the egg mix. Spread up the plantains on it. Before I continue, my beautiful shout out goes to Obiageli Abatekwe, Nnadun Somti Okunna, and Ebele Mercy. Thank you all. Please let me know where you are watching from to give you a shout out in my next video. If you are still watching, thank you for being with us. Remember to click the follow button for more interesting recipes. Now, follow this process for the final stage. Remember to cook your frittata on a low heat. Thank you and see you in our next video.
Cooking like this, unmatched and true. Get it all fresh, cooked just right. Step on in where the flavors play. Dior's kitchen makes your taste buds sway. Sizzle and bake with the master's flair. Every dish crafted with love and care. Oh, Dior's kitchen where dreams are made. A bite here will sweep you away. From savory spices to sweet delight. Get it all fresh, cooked just right. Flour flies and the oven sing. Perfection served in everything. Dior's knows what pleases you. A feast of wonders, plate after plate.